Hi, my name is Jim Stout, and I'm going to show you a couple of really cool tricks on the new Fantom X. Things like skip back sampling, stop trigger, and a couple of other little hidden ideas. So let's get to it. Now this is a real easy way to make a bunch of horn stabs using skip back sampling and the auto chop feature built into the Fantom X. So play a bunch of horns, press skip back, you captured everything that you were playing, go to sample modify, go to the chop feature, select auto chop, hit execute, and it will automatically assign the horn parts to the pads, and you can save that as a kit. Now here's a really cool trick using vocals and reverse reverb tricks. So I have a vocal sample here.
You take me high.
I'm going to reverse it. Then I'm going to make a patch out of it. So we'll just assign it to the keyboard. Next, we're going to go through and add some effects to it. I'll add some reverb and some delay. Now we have press skip back sampling. You captured that. Now we'll reverse it one more time to where the effects are backwards, but the vocals forward. Now here's a real cool feature called stop trigger. This basically allows you to make seamless loops without the need of editing or going back and finding loop points. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make an audio loop out of one of the preset rhythm kits inside the Fantom X. So we'll go to sampling, select resampling. I'm going to press the auto trigger so as soon as I hit the pad it's going to start recording. Then I'm going to scroll down, change stop trigger to beat, and tell it I want it to stop after 8 beats. So after 8 beats, two measure loop, the sampler will stop. So here we go. Stop the rhythm pattern, go to sample parameter, turn the loop on, a seamless loop without the need of any editing or finding loop points. So I hope some of these tips and tricks have given you some ideas and some inspiration that you can use in your own productions. Enjoy.